to G Mama's World. I'm coming to you with some fried pork steaks that I'm frying on the griller. It's already seasoned, no flour, no shake and bake, just straight grilling. So they can be real and good and tender. Comment down below, let me know what you think about this video. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. Hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I drop a new video, and give it a like. Let me show you my steamed potatoes. Here's my steamed potatoes, red peppers, green peppers, and onions. I'm letting them get good and sauteed. Just a little bit of oil, and I will be coming back to you when they're almost done. Okay guys, you see the steaks are getting good and ready. Good and ready. Okay guys, here's the finished result. It has the pork steak, the steamed potatoes, and the shrimp. This is a soul food mukbang. And comment down below, let me know what you think about this video. Give it a thumbs up. Hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I drop a new video. Share this video with each and every one you come in contact with. And give this video a thumbs up. Okay guys? If ain't nobody told you they love you today, always remember, G Mama loves you. And Jesus loves you. And I see y'all in another video. Peace. Hello everybody, welcome back to G Mama's World. How y'all guys doing today? Well, I'm coming to you with another mukbang. I'm coming to you with a soul food mukbang. Y'all see that? I did a video on me cooking this. I have sauteed potatoes with onion, green bell peppers and red bell peppers with the let me get this out the way, with the pork steak fried with no batter on it, just seasoned. Batter meaning no flour, no anything, and sauteed shrimp. Okay guys, and you already know what I'm drinking on. Dr. Pepper, and I'm going to be using that beloved hot sauce. Okay guys, I'm going to take a thumbnail and we're going to get started. Alrighty. Pray. Amen. Okay guys, before we get started, comment down below, let me know what you think about this video. If you want to see me cook something else, comment down below. Give it a thumbs up, share it with whoever you come in contact with. Hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I drop a new video, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. Okay guys, so we're gonna get started. Whew. Let me get some paper towel. I'm hot, y'all. I'm hot. But like I said, I have a video on me cooking this. Okay? I have a video. So we're gonna, this is just pork steak. I cooked it like a steak with no batter on it. Just different seasonings. Get your first bite. Y'all see that piece of fat off of there? That's a piece of fat. These steamed potatoes, just a little olive oil, red peppers, green peppers, and onions with little salt and pepper. There you go. There you go. And here's your shrimp. There's your, oh, I can't even hold out. There you shrimp. There you shrimp. Okay, guys. Okay. I haven't had none of these in a long time. I've been waiting on them. I normally do the steamed potatoes. The steamed potatoes, the pork steak, or either pork chops, no shrimps, and I eat it with the syrup and dinner rolls. That's some good eating. Those, not dinner rolls, but those Hungry Jack biscuits. The grand biscuits. Yeah, it is the grand biscuits, the big ones. So what y'all eat for dinner today? Oh, it's good and tender. See, sometimes you cook your meat, I cook it like this without any batter. That way you can taste it, and it makes your meat so tender. Because it don't have to cook through all that flour or whatever you cook it with. And you don't always have to put your meat on a grill. I cook this on a griller, but you don't always have to cook it on a pit in order to get that taste and that tenderness. I really don't even need no hot sauce on here, because it is so good by itself. I want that bone. I want that bone. Y'all already know. I already know how I cook my shrimp. Garlic. Just a hint of butter. Old Bay. And saute it. The good and tender. Have it been raining where y'all at? It's been raining here so much. We done had to cut my yard every week because it's raining just that hard. Oh guys, in my other videos I have keep forgetting to mention. Oh, I need to do my shout outs. I know it's JELLO Odom, B Woo, what is it? It's a new person. Something Socks. The names will be in the description. Y'all, I am so sorry, okay? I had it. It wasn't but 4 names. I said I'm going to remember it because I just put my tablet up. And I put my tablets in my purse, and I took my purse to my room. I am so sorry. But the names will be in the description below. People, go to the descriptions below and check out the names and go and show them some love. What's her name? Darlie Niecy. Darlie Niecy. I love Lisa Michelle. Janine Odom. something new, wearing socks or something. They be in the description. That's a long name. It's a long name. And I am so sorry. This is so good. What y'all gonna be doing for Mother's Day? You guys, have y'all got your moms out the way? Your wives out the way? If you have any kids, you get them wives and the mothers. My brother called me today and he goes, what you give me for Mother's Day? I said, what? What you give me for Mother's Day since I have cussed over my daughter? I said, what you give me for Mother's Day since I'm cussing over 3? You doing what women all over the world is doing when they have the absent fathers. So, join the bus. Get on the bus. Women that's raising kids on their own with the absentee fathers. Fathers that they didn't refuse to make them, but they refused to take care of them. You can't stand the mother. You want to argue with the mother in front of the kid. Vice versa, the woman want to argue with the man in front of the kids. Whatever drew y'all together for them 2 minutes. That's the same thing need to draw you together for 18 years. I applaud those guys that's stepping up to the plate and raising their kid by themselves. If the mother's not in the picture, I applaud them. But I applaud the women that's doing it by themselves and stuff, you know. I applaud them too. Y'all, I am so hungry. Oh, I cut my finger and it's burning. Ooh. I forgot to bring something. Them potatoes, boy, they doing the do. They give me food, y'all. Y'all know how them potatoes do you. I don't care what you have, in a seafood bowl or mashed, baked, whatever. They get you food. Well, y'all, we don't have that long to go before the meeting and greeting in Houston, Texas. If you're going to join us there, go over to Instagram and message Tasty and let her know you're going to be in attendance. She is the host of this meet and greet. She's going to try to have it, I think she said, once a month or every other month. And she will be in your location soon. So, but just go over, and if you're going to be in Houston, go and let her know that you will be in attendance so she can add you to the list and give you the address to the location. It will be Miss C Corners, Tasty Mukbang East, I Love Lisa Michelle Show, and myself. If you want to do a collab with either of the women's, go over there and message them on IG, and they will get you from there. Okay? If you want to do one with me, message me, and we will get you from there. But I hope to see y'all there. I hope to see y'all there. It's good to see the people that comments on your things. It's good to see people that are in your lives and every day just holding a conversation with. It's good to see that person. You know. Very simple. But it's almost time, y'all. Almost time. Y'all, I'm getting full. Y'all, the sweet potatoes, when you go to the what do you call it? Aha. Ooh, they get you full, Lord. This here set you on happy. You be happy. Be happy. This here, Lord, I'm gonna be up, y'all, cause it's 11, almost 12 o'clock. And I'm just not eating, y'all. Ain't that beautiful? If I hadn't ate, y'all. When did I eat? When I had was it the Wendy's? When I'm tired, I don't eat. So, I think I had like fruit chips and stuff like that, but not a main meal like this or anything. I'm gonna buy me some. I was talking to V Woo and I Love Smoochie on the phone. And she was telling me to get some Ensure. I have Boost and Boost and what's the other one? Slim Fast, and those are meal replacement too. So I think I need to start back drinking them. Cause that's what I was drinking when I don't have meals for 3 and 4 days. I drink those so my stomach won't get sour. But y'all, I'm getting full. See, when I don't eat in a while, my stomach can't hold a whole lot. But I did good. I did good. These potatoes, ooh, Jesus. I need to get me a job at IHOP. Sight. Sight. Well, guys, I want to thank you guys for coming to sit with me. Coming to sit with me. As I sit down and ate this meal, I want to thank y'all for joining me in another video. Like I said, I did make a video of me preparing this meal. It's not a long video, but it's a video. I said if I cooked anything, that I will be making a video out of it. And you know what I can do? This here will be the challenge by Tasty. It's eat out of your fridge, refrigerator, and your pantry challenge by Tasty Mukbang East, because I did make this out of my fridge, refrigerator, and pantry. I didn't buy anything, so that can be part of the challenge. Okay, so that will be my capture. Eating out of your fridge, refrigerator, and pantry challenge by Tasty Mukbang East. Y'all go over there and give my sis a holler. Go over there, look in her descriptions, and get you one of those challenges and do them, guys. Okay, and I also have some challenges of my own in the descriptions below. So y'all comment down and let me know what you thought about this here challenge. And it is a soul food challenge. And give it a thumbs up. Share this video with each and every one you come in contact with. I'm getting tired. And subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. I see you peeping. You come in here every day. You're coming over here where the feast of the Lord is going on. You're getting fed, you're getting fat, and you can't hardly walk back out the door. So you might well go on and hit the red letters till they turn gray. Hit that notification bell so you know every time I drop a new video. And if ain't nobody told you they love you, always remember G-Mama loves you and Jesus loves you. It don't cost a dime to smile at someone and speak to someone, because you never know. You may be saving that person's life or someone else's life. Y'all see where that man went shot up that school? If somebody had to intervene, you never know what would have turned out. So y'all look at the news and think about what G-Mama is talking about. Okay? I'll see y'all in another video. Peace.